Alright, to download the Visual Studio 2019 into your PC, you need to get into this website visualstudio.microsoft.com and get the 2019 version. While scrolling down, click download and it will redirect us to this page where it wants us to sign in. So just sign in into your Microsoft account. You can, if you can't create that, then you can ask for a code, or you can create one if you don't have ID, or you can also sign up with your GitHub account. So once you are logged in, then you will be redirected to this interface. Confirm. Here you will find various tools to download, but we are here to download what? Visual Studio 2019. So here you can see there are numerous tools available for download, but we are going to get into downloads option right here. Click downloads, and here are also available Windows if you want to download Windows 11, 10, also secure servers. But here our focus is Visual Studio 2019, so just click on it. Here we are on the downloading page. Here we can find different files for Visual Studio 2019, but we are going to download what? We are going to download Visual Studio Community 2019 of architecture x86. Architecture x86 means that it is for 64-bit PC, and architecture x64 means that it is for 32-bit PC. So do not get confused with these architectures numbers. Also, let's just check all these things and click on the here it is x86 execution file, multilingual version. Just click download. Here we are on the thank you page for downloading, and here you can see that the file has been downloaded. Alright, so let's open it and begin the installation process. Run it. Here the installer is all set to go. Click continue. Let it install. It will take a little longer, and it is also depends on your PC and your internet speed. So here it's done. Okay, so here we are on the page where we can install the Visual Studio 2019. Once we click install, so it will ask us if we want to add workloads or continue without workloads. So it depends on you if you want to get the workloads. Here I am getting a few of them. I have added desktop development with C++. Actually, I will get into it later. I'm just taking data storage and processing because my work is mainly based on it. So what it will do, it will get the libraries, the relevant libraries along with that. And I'm also getting the Office SharePoint development, and that's it for now. Let's just install it. So yes, it will take a little longer.